Let's go. We are riding through Munar's Gap Road to witness Munar's purple magic. Gap Road is one of the most beautiful riding routes in Kerala, with winding roads, misty mountains, and breathtaking valley views. This place feels like a dream for every traveler and rider. The ride itself is pure adventure, and the destination is even more magical because waiting ahead is Munar's stunning purple paradise, the beautiful blooming Jacaranda flowers. Jacaranda flowers usually blooms during April and May in Munnar. Let's see the purple magic. ഇതാണ് ജക്രാന്ത ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് അഥവാ നീലവാക എന്നും പറയാറുണ്ട്. ഏപ്രിൽ മെയ് മാസങ്ങളിലാണ് ഇവ പൂക്കുന്നത്. This is the beauty of Munnar. Like and subscribe Action Means.